Comparing uninsured versus underinsured motorist coverage in motorcycle accidents. Motorcycle accidents, often characterized by their severe consequences, necessitate a comprehensive understanding of insurance coverage. Particularly in scenarios involving uninsured or underinsured at-fault parties, the distinction between these two types of coverage becomes paramount. The crucial role of insurance coverage in motorcycle accidents. Motorcyclists face a heightened level of risk due to their exposure and vulnerability on the road. As such, the role of insurance coverage cannot be understated. Adequate coverage serves as a protective barrier against the potential financial devastation resulting from accidents. Uninsured motorist coverage stands as a safeguard in situations where the responsible party lacks any form of insurance. This coverage extends a helping hand to victims of accidents caused by uninsured drivers, easing the burden of medical expenses, property repair costs, and lost wages. Beyond the immediate financial relief, this coverage also addresses the challenges posed by hit-and-run accidents. In these unfortunate instances, where the at-fault driver flees the scene, uninsured motorist coverage ensures that victims are not left to bear the brunt of the costs. Furthermore, uninsured motorist coverage can be viewed as a proactive measure to prepare for the unexpected. In a world where not all drivers are insured, having this coverage in place offers a sense of security. By opting for this coverage, motorcyclists can mitigate the risks associated with interacting with uninsured drivers, allowing them to focus on their passion for riding without constant worry about the financial aftermath of accidents. Unveiling the nuances of underinsured motorist coverage. Underinsured motorist coverage comes into play when the at-fault party possesses insurance, but their coverage limits fall short of the expenses incurred by the victim. The complexity lies in determining the point at which the responsible driver's coverage becomes insufficient. The distinctive attributes of uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. A comprehensive understanding of the differences between uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage is essential for motorcyclists seeking effective protection. Uninsured motorist coverage addresses accidents caused by drivers who lack insurance. It encompasses medical expenses, property damage, and even hit-and-run scenarios. This coverage offers a safety net that shields victims from the dire financial repercussions of accidents involving uninsured drivers. Conversely, underinsured motorist coverage focuses on cases where the responsible driver's insurance is insufficient. It acts as a buffer, ensuring that victims are not burdened with expenses that surpass the limits of the at-fault driver's policy. This coverage becomes invaluable in situations where victims would otherwise face complex legal battles or financial strain. Our knowledgeable motorcycle accident attorneys in Denver, Colorado can help you obtain the benefits of your or UIM coverage. The significance of coverage limits and regular policy review. While uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage offer invaluable protection, it's crucial to delve into the coverage limits stipulated within the policy. Higher coverage limits provide enhanced protection, especially in accidents resulting in substantial medical bills and property damage. Equally vital is the practice of regularly reviewing insurance policies. Life is dynamic, and as circumstances change, so do insurance needs. Periodic policy review allows motorcyclists to adjust their coverage in accordance with their evolving situations, ensuring that they are adequately protected at all times. Navigating legal complexities and attaining peace of mind. In accidents involving uninsured or underinsured motorists, legal considerations can be complex. Consulting an experienced attorney specializing in personal injury cases is recommended. These legal professionals possess the expertise to navigate the intricate landscape of insurance claims, advocate for victims' rights, and secure the compensation they deserve. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage provides a profound sense of security. It empowers motorcyclists to embark on their journeys with the assurance that they are shielded from the uncertainties posed by uninsured or inadequately insured drivers. This peace of mind allows riders to fully immerse themselves in the exhilarating experience of motorcycling while being prepared for the unforeseen challenges that may arise. In conclusion, in the realm of motorcycle accidents, being equipped with the right insurance coverage is not just advisable, it's essential. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage functions as a safety net that prevents victims from experiencing the financial aftermath of accidents caused by uninsured or underinsured drivers. By comprehending the nuances between these coverage types, engaging in regular policy reviews, and seeking legal counsel when required, motorcyclists can ensure they are well prepared for any road they may traverse.